Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for the best Cloudways deals and coupon codes for 2025? You're in the right place. Today, I'll share the latest Cloudways coupons and promos that can save you big on managed cloud hosting. I'll also explain why Cloudways is such a powerful option for developers, agencies, and business owners. And don't forget, I've included a special link in the description that always applies the biggest available discount automatically, so you never overpay. Cloudways is one of the most popular managed cloud hosting platforms, and for good reason. Instead of dealing with complicated server setups, Cloudways makes it easy to deploy and manage applications on top providers like DigitalOcean, AWS, and Google Cloud, all through one simple dashboard. Here's why Cloudways stands out in 2025. You can choose from multiple cloud providers: DigitalOcean, Linode, Voltar, AWS, and Google Cloud. Their servers are optimized for speed with built-in caching and advanced performance tweaks. You get 24/7 live chat support from real experts, a lifesaver if you're running mission-critical projects. Cloudways includes free SSL automated backups and staging environments. And best of all, you only pay for the resources you use with transparent monthly pricing. Now, let's talk about savings. Here are the best Cloudways coupon codes and deals you can use right now. Cloud 2025. Get 20% off for your first 3 months on any plan. Save 25 CW. 25% off your first month. Perfect if you just want to test it out. Grow. 15% off selected higher tier plans for scaling businesses. Flash CW, limited time extra 5% off during seasonal sales. And here's the best part. My special discount link in the description is always updated to apply Cloudways' highest available offer. That way, even if promo codes change, you'll always get the maximum savings automatically. Pro tip, start with a smaller plan to test performance and scale up as needed. Cloudways lets you upgrade servers in just a few clicks. If you're watching during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or New Year sales, use my link for even deeper discounts that stack with these codes. So there you have it, the best Cloudways coupon codes and deals for 2025. If you're ready to move your site to a fast, secure, and fully managed cloud hosting platform, click the link in my description, grab your discount, and launch your server today. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more hosting and tech deals, and drop a comment letting me know what kind of project you're hosting.